calcium, and iron, among others, has been arranged and will continue in future. On the anvil is equipping women with the knowledge of legal awareness, their legal rights, and the confidence to use these rights. Women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. Dear girls, today let's pledge to live in dignity, in freedom from want and freedom from fear. On this International Women's Day, let us rededicate ourselves to making this a reality. Let us be as valiant as Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, brilliant and dedicated like Marie Curie, diligent and prolific as Emmanuel Charpentier, strong like Indira Gandhi, firebrand like Indra Nooyi, compassionate as Mother Teresa, focused as Mary Kom, and fearless as Ela Bhatt. There are endless names, and even sky is not the limit as taught to us by Kalpana Chawla. So, girls, my dear ones, heartiest greetings to all of you for this day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are really fortunate to have your guidance and support with us.
Thank you so much.
Okay, moving forward.
Thank you, Vandana. Thanks a lot.
Moving forward, she gave a life, she is a wife. She is a mother and she is a friend. She is a sister, a survivor to end. Love her and adore her. She is a woman. A dedication to all the strong women out there. We have Sakshi Kuwar and Kirti Vadak with her melodious voices.
सोचा कहा था ये जो हो गया, माना कहा था ये लो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है ये। चल पड़े हैं हम सफर, अजनबी तो है डगर। लगता हमको मगर कुछ कर देंगे हम मगर, ख्वाब में जो दिखा पर था छुपा बस जाएगा वो नगर। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है ये।
Words make you think and music makes you feel. And our last performance proves it so well. Such an amazing performance by Sakshi and Kirti. We dance for laughters, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for tears. And to depict Nari Shakti through the most beautiful art called dance, we present to you the classical queen of our college, Manali Patil from final year.
हिचकी रुक जाने दे सिसकी थम जाने दे इस पल की ये गुजारिश है मरना क्यों जी लेना बूंदों को पी लेना तेरे ही सपनों की बारिश है पानियों को रस्ते तू बनाने दे रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे रहता ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल रहता ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल
That was amazing. Thank you so much, Manani. Now, moving forward, strong women aren't simply born, they are forged through the challenges of life, with which they grow mentally and emotionally. To deal with COVID 19 doesn't seem like a simple task to any of us, but there are so many women warriors who came forward with their head held high, and be it a doctor, be it a teacher, or be it a mother. So, to highlight the role of the commendable role of all the women around there, we have Sneha Thomas from TY.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Bhavisha, for such a sweet introduction. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to wish a very happy Women's Day to all the gorgeous and super talented ladies listening to me right now. Gender inequality, domestic violence, and the never ending list goes on. Often, when it comes to us women, we hear so many pessimistic prospects. But this time, let's do something different. In a country where we worship millions of goddesses, today let's take this moment to praise the ultra modern, high tech, yet passionate and caring women around us. To celebrate the tremendous efforts by women and girls around the world in shaping more equal future and recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, United Nations announced the theme for International Women's Day 2021 as Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in the COVID-19 World. Women stood at the front lines of the COVID 19 crisis as health workers, caregivers, innovators, community organizers, and as some of the most exemplary and effective national leaders in combating the pandemic. Both the centrality of the contributions and the disproportionate burdens that women carry. Majority of the countries that have been successful, like most successful in stemming the tide of the COVID-19 pandemic and responding to its health and broader socio-economic status, are headed by women. For instance, heads of the government in Denmark, Ethiopia, Finland, Germany, Iceland, and New Zealand have been widely recognized for their rapidity, decisiveness, effectiveness of their national response to the COVID 19, as well as compassionate communication of the fact based public health information. Yet, Women under 30 are less than 1% of their parliamentary worldwide. Women are a big force behind vaccines for COVID 19. Dr. K. Sumati is an Indian scientist who leads research and development wing of Bharat Biotech. The Indian biotech company, headquartered at Hyderabad, developed India's first indigenous vaccine, Covaxin. Priya Patel, hailing from Sojitra, a farming village in Gujarat, is the leading molecular scientist at Novavax, an American vaccine development company. Vaccine development is that her vaccine is female one. Meenal Bhosle is a research and development chief at MyLab Discovery, Pune. It is the first Indian firm to get full approval to make and sell COVID-19 testing kits. She submitted her first kit for evaluation to the National Institute of Virology on 18th March. That is exactly one day before delivering her daughter. Apart from the Apart from the women on the front line, there were some who came up as guardian angels for the society. Mahita Nagraj is the founder of Caremongers India. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Sneha, you're audible. Please continue.
Sneha, you're audible. Call her, Manisha, otherwise you can call her.
Yes,
Hello.
Sneha,
Yes,
continue. Yes, you're audible.
Sorry. I left.
That's okay. Okay, okay.
Mahita Nagraj is the founder of Caremongers India. This project started on a messaging group. Consequently, it has become a 46,000 member group on Facebook spanning across 14 countries. Caremongers 22,000 volunteers across India. This group helps elderly people in procuring food, medicine, and accessing healthcare. Captain Swati Rao was one of the pilots who were celebrated by people back home for piloting an Air India Boeing 777 to bring back 263 Indian passengers trapped in Rome. She was also the first women pilot to operate a rescue flight. We all have erected temples, altars at our home, but we still travel miles to worship the altar. But God prevails where there is belief. I literally went around the globe praising women, but now I am back home. We interact with such lively and enthusiastic women every day. Under the leadership of our very own principal madam, Dr. Urmila Joshi, we carried out all the activities, be it academic or extracurricular. The wholehearted support of our dear teachers who are taking all possible efforts to make sure that our academics do not suffer even though everything is virtual, and even gracefully guiding us for organizing events and leaving no stones unturned to turn the Golden Jubilee celebration into a grand success. Last, I would like to sum up my
What happened, Sneha? She's not there?
she is there now.
She's having some network issue. Give me a minute, I'll call her.
He is not receiving answer.
Yeah, probably we can go ahead and start with the next item.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it Prachi's dance now? Okay.
Women are warriors. Women are warriors without weapon, but a woman with a voice is a strong woman. Thank you so much, Sneha, for such a great performance. मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी एक दिन इसी हौसले से चलने का वादा किया है ना हारे हैं ना हारेंगे कभी किसी और से नहीं खुद से ये वादा किया है टू एक्सप्रेस दिस मैसेज इन अ बोल्ड वे प्रेजेंटिंग टू यू प्राची फ्रॉम थर्ड ईयर
गिरिवरविन्द शिरोधिनिवासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
That was amazing. देखो आजाद है रहना मुझे देखो आजाद है जीना मुझे
Bhavisha, I don't think you have any scope in singing. So let Aditi do this job. Okay. Justifying the characteristics of elegance, strength, and graceful voice, we present to you Aditi Dharmadhikari from final year.
राह पे कांटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है शाम छुपाए सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है रुते तर जाएगी हिम्मत रंग लाएगी सुबह फिर आएगी देरी ना देरी ना ये हौसला कैसे रुके ये आरज़ू कैसे
ये मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हाई दिल तो क्या। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। Thank you.
That was so beautiful. Thank you, Aditi. Moving forward, women hold up half the sky. There is no limit to what a woman can accomplish. So, introducing Viresh from 3rd Y, TY, with a poem describing all the achievements and challenges of a woman in a day-to-day life.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I have written a short poem. The title is Woman Empowerment. यूँ तो वुमेन माँ, बहन, बेटी और कई सारे किरदार निभाती है। यूँ तो वुमेन माँ, बहन, बेटी और कई सारे किरदार निभाती है। जिंदगी जीना तो बस हमें वुमेन ही सिखाती है। क्यों हम औरतों की इज्जत नहीं करते हैं? क्यों हम औरतों की इज्जत नहीं करते हैं? क्यों हम उन्हें उनसे बात पर लड़ते हैं? क्यों हम उन्हें नीचे समझते हैं मर्दों से? क्यों हम उन्हें नीचे समझते हैं मर्दों से? क्यों हम उन्हें हमेशा ढका करते हैं पर्दों से? क्यों हम उन्हें उनके कपड़े और रहन सहन से उन्हें नाकारते हैं? क्यों हम उनके कपड़े और रहन सहन से उन्हें नाकारते हैं? क्यों हम उनका हौसला ना बढ़ाकर उनके सपनों को नहीं साकारते हैं? आज महिला हर जगह अपनी रुचि और सपनों को पूरा कर रही है। फिर भी आज कई जगह महिला अपने घर में ही डर रही है। क्यों हम बस वुमेन्स डे के दिन ही बस उनका हौसला बढ़ाते हैं? क्यों नहीं हम उन्हें मर्दों से पहले और उनके साथ पढ़ाते हैं? क्यों हम कहते हैं कि महिला बस घर ही संभाल सकती है? उनका हमेशा आदर सम्मान करो, यही सच्ची भक्ति है। आखिर में बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि वुमेन्स डे हो या ना हो, हमेशा वुमेन की रिस्पेक्ट करे। उन्हें उनके लाइफ से जो चाहिए बस तुम वही उनसे एक्सपेक्ट करे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Viresh. That was a great poem. Okay. Now it's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion, as no program can become successful with a single person. So I extend my big thanks to Women Development Cell of Principal K.M. Kundani College of Pharmacy. A special thanks to Dr. Purnima Hamrapurkar ma'am, to Dr. Vandana Panda ma'am, to Dr. Minal Sanaya ma'am for their constant support and guidance. I will propose a healthy vote of thanks to our principal, Madam Dr. Urmila Joshi. Thanks to all the student coordinators and my team, Bhavisha Chanchlani and Priyanka Achrekar. Finally, the wonderful participants who have turned up in such great members by giving their constant support. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all of you. Thanks a lot. Nice program. Good, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, announce about this NSS, Bhavisha.
Ma'am, they have their meeting at 6. They are not doing right now.
They will have their separate meet. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
We're done with the program, so we can leave, right? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, Nalini, for joining. ओके चलो.